Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in sending emails using an iPad. Using your Gmail, you can send a new email message to one person or to a group of people. You can also reply to an email that you have received. On your iPad, click the email icon. This opens up your Gmail. In your Gmail page, you can find your inbox folder on the left side of the page. Here you can find all the emails that you have received. When you are ready to send a new email, click the Compose button. A new window will open where you can compose a new message. Type the email address of the person you are sending the message next to the line that says "To". Type a short description of your email next to the line that says "Subject". Be aware that the subject is not the body of your email yet. Compose your message in the body of your email. In composing your email, consider the following parts: the salutation, the body of the email, the complimentary close, and your name or signature. Once you finish composing your email, click the blue arrow button to send your email. Your email is now sent. You can return to your Gmail page and check your sent folder. Here you can find the email that you just sent, as well as the other emails that you sent in the past. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.